What is lifetime value of a customer? Now today I'm going to share with you a formula how to calculate the lifetime value of your customers. So customer lifetime value formula is like this. First thing, you got to calculate your average sales. Average sales is the sales value that the customer spend with you. If they buy like 10 times, so the average sales is like you take the average of this 10 times. The next thing is that we'll look at the number of transactions. Now this is how usually I calculate the number of transactions. If my customers buy from me like 12 times or once a month, so it's like 12 transactions in a year. So your transactions will be 12. The next thing, we're going to look at the retention period. So retention period, we look at how long that we do business with these customers. Let's say, for example, your customers averagely will stay with you at least 3 to 5 years. Yeah. So if it's 3 to 5 years, maybe you take like 4 years. So your retention period will be 4 years. Then you take this number and multiply by your profit margin. Let's say your profit margin is 30%. So you take all this average sales times number of transactions times retention periods, and then finally times your profit margin. This will give you your customer lifetime value. Let's take an example. If you're selling stationery and averagely your customers, let's say this is a B2B customers, it's a factory of like 1,000 workers that they buy from you. For simple sake, I'll take the average sales like 1,000 a month. And every month they spend averagely like 1,000. So for the number of transactions in a year means that 12. So you take 12 times 1,000 will give you 12,000. And you know that these customers usually stays with you around 3 to 5 years. So let's take 4. So if 4 years times your 12,000, which will give you 48,000. And your profit margin, if this profit margin is, let's say for example, 20%, so 48,000 times 20%, which would give you a value of how much? Let me calculate. Yeah, 48,000 times 20%, which gives you the value of 9,600. So your customer lifetime value is 9,600 per customers. So this is a very important measurement that you need to learn, because when we want to do advertising or marketing, the budget, we know that for every dollars and cents that we can acquire a customer, we will gain a lifetime value of 9,600. So would you spend 1,000 ringgit to acquire a customer which will give you 9,600 ringgit lifetime value? So that is why this is a very important indicator for us when we do sales and marketing. I hope you learned something from today's lessons, and if you like this, please do share this with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more business marketing tips. I will see you in my next video.